Ooh, what's this? It's something for the channel. It's not an exploding battery, and it's not a model kit. Let's have a look at what it is. Roll credits. So let's have a look at what's in the box. The trusty letter opener, a number 11 scalpel blade. Goes through it like a hot knife through butter. And we have a microphone. A wireless lavalier microphone. So let's see what's in the box and how it works. So what's actually in the box? Well, we've got two microphones, cables and assorted dongles. And these cables are a similar colour to both my cats, which is nice. The microphone I usually use is the one with the camera, which you are looking through now. And because I'm a genius and I've been messing about with microphone settings, I switched the microphone off. So this, what you're hearing, is all voiceover. Yeah. Anyway, which is kind of ironic. I switch all the microphone off in a video about some other microphones. So without further ado, we'll get the instructions read, have a look at this, get it set up and get cracked on. 1 2 1 2 1 2. How's this? Is it sounding any better? It maybe doesn't, because I've had a bit of a flu or a bit of cold, whatever. My voice is a little bit shot, which is brilliant when you take delivery of a microphone and try and use it. 1 2 1 2. Are you receiving me, Houston? 1 2. Right, that seemed to have gone really well. I'm back on the microphone built into the camera again, because I've got me two of these. I've bunged them on charge, so hopefully that's going to do a nice job for us. You'll be able to hear me better, and if wasn't so full of stinking cold, I'll be able to communicate. Communicate a little bit better. So there we go. Just a little quick update on what's happening. And actually, while we're here, if you want to see my setup that I'm using now, let me know in the comments. I'd love to, because when I started this, it was the channel was actually started in 2014. Myself, I was on and off, and I've come back to YouTube and doing this roughly about a year ago, seriously. So I was basically making videos on my phone, like I think a lot of people start. But now I've got myself a camera, the microphones I've just got, and if you want to see that setup, just let me know in the comments, and I'll give you a kind of tour of the tech side of the channel. Ooh, listen to me, tech side. Anyway, enough of that, and let's get back to some modelling. See you later.